In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to iCloud, exploring the differences between using iCloud Photo Library and iCloud Drive. Let's dive into how you can ensure your precious memories are safely stored in the cloud and easily accessible whenever you need them. First, let's talk about using the iCloud Photo Library, which is ideal for photos and videos. Why choose this method? It's straightforward and keeps your media organized and synced across all your Apple devices seamlessly. To begin, head over to your device's settings, tap on the settings icon, and at the top of the menu you'll see your name. Go ahead and tap on it, which will bring you to a page filled with various options. From there, choose iCloud, where you'll find several options related to your iCloud services. Pay close attention and find the Photos option. You'll want to ensure that iCloud Photos is toggled on. When you do this, your photos and videos will automatically upload to iCloud and sync across all your devices, making them accessible wherever you are. Just a quick reminder, for this smooth transition, it's crucial to be connected to a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. This way you'll avoid using up all your mobile data and ensure everything uploads correctly. Now let's move on to another method, using iCloud Drive via the share menu from Photos. This option offers you more flexibility if you prefer manually selecting and organizing your files. Start by opening the Photos app. Once in, browse through your pictures and tap to select the ones you wish to upload. When making your selection, look for the share icon. It's a square with an upward pointing arrow, commonly located at the bottom left of your screen, depending on your device. Tap on this icon, which opens up a range of sharing options. Scroll down until you see the Save to Files option. Choosing this allows you to decide exactly where your photos will be stored. Select this option. Subsequently, a menu will appear offering various folders. Among these, choose iCloud Drive. Choosing iCloud Drive as your destination means your selected photos will be uploaded there, ready for you to access via any device connected to your iCloud account. And finally, just tap on Save. With that, your photos will be uploaded to iCloud Drive, safely stored and retrievably organized. By following either of these methods, you can comfortably upload your photos to iCloud, securing them and making them accessible across all your Apple devices. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating your photo storage solutions using Apple's iCloud services. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.